So hello students, welcome to Ghosh Law Academy. So today's topic is how to make an leave and licensee agreement. The leave and licensee means agreement for 11 months. So it can be a agreement of flat for a period of 11 months or an shop or any. So here we come in the computer screen. So first you have to write agreement of leave and licensee. The agreement of leave and licensee made in the day of May 2024, the period. Okay, and then comes between, means two parties. First part, who is the licensor, and the other part, who is the licensee. So next para is, whereas the licensor is the seized and otherwise the sufficient possessed of all that the shop, means this agreement is about a shop where the complete schedule of the shop is written on which the agreement is made. And the next para is, and whereas the licensee being personally known of the licensor of the has been made, the period has been written, see, 11 months, 1st day of May 2024 to 31st day of March 2025. Some terms like and whereas and accepting the said proposal of licensor has agreed to grant the said leave and licensee to the licensor to use the occupy of the said shop. These are the some terms and conditions. Now comes to this indenture witness, right? So the first para is period of 11 months agreement. Now comes to the advance money. There should be advance money. The advance money is in this agreement is 50,000. Here the agreement fees is written, which is 5,000, including maintenance fee, and rent should be given within 7th day of each month. So the advance money means the advance money is taken as because the licensee or the other part fails to give the 1 month or 2 months rent, then the money be cut off from the advance money. And after 11 months, the condition of the agreement is, after 11 months the advance money should be refunded to the licensee. Here are some terms and conditions which is same in every agreement, like you can see. Lastly we come to the schedule property, means the shop room for which the agreement is made. Now this line is very important. In every agreement it is given. Now witness, two witnesses, the signature of first part, signature of other part, drafted by me, advocate, the signature of advocate. How to make an leave and licensee agreement, which is useful for every advocate, as because the leave and licensee agreement means every advocate who is a junior or a senior advocate once in a lifetime have done leave and licensee agreement. So it is very important for students and who are practicing as a junior, means newly passed advocate, joined just in court, and full format of leave and licensee agreement will be given in my description below. Subscribe my channel and like and share for more interesting videos. Goodbye.